H2S is passed through potassium permanganate solution we get. Here the answer is sulfur. I will explain how to write the balanced equation for this reaction. First, potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. Permanganate ion is a MnO4 minus, and this reaction takes place in acid medium. So in acid medium, MnO4 minus will get converted to Mn plus 2, and MnO4 minus or potassium permanganate is oxidizing H2S to sulfur. H2S is oxidized to sulfur. This we can write it as S minus 2 gives rise to S. So we can write the equation as MnO4 minus plus S minus 2 gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus S. We can balance this equation by oxidation number method. In MnO4 minus, Mn oxidation state is plus 7. So here difference in the oxidation number is 5. And here difference in the oxidation number is, here sulfur oxidation state is 0. So difference in the oxidation number is 2. First we have to equalize the difference in the oxidation number. So to equalize the difference in the oxidation number, we can multiply this with a suitable coefficient. If we multiply this with 2, this will become 10. If we multiply this with 5, this will become 10. That means KMnO4 or MnO4 minus we can multiply with 2, S minus 2 we should multiply with 5. Then we'll get the equation 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 S minus 2 gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus S. First we should multiply only reactants. Later we should give the coefficients for the products. 2Mn plus 2, 5S. Then after that, charge is balanced by using H plus ions. On reactant side, the total charge is 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into minus 2. So total charge is here minus 12. Here the total charge is 2 into plus 2 and 5 into 0. So here total charge is plus 4. To equal the charge both the sides, to make plus 4 both the sides, if we add 16 H plus ions this side, we'll get here also plus 4, because 16 H plus means plus 16 minus 12 means plus 4. That means on reactant side we should add 16 H plus ions to make the charge equal on both the sides. Plus 4H plus, 16H plus gives rise to 2Mn plus 2 plus 5S. Then last step is we can balance oxygen and hydrogen atoms by adding H2O molecules. Here 2 into 4, 8 oxygens are there. So if we add 8 H2O molecules this side, then both the sides oxygen atoms are balanced. Even hydrogens are so. Here 16 H plus ions. This side right side also 16 H plus ions. So like this we can balance the equation by oxidation number method. Only one point we can remember here, that is MnO4 minus or potassium permanganate oxidizes H2S to sulfur.